We are so excited. We just got the new Lego set in the mail to review. The Pirates of the Caribbean on Stranger Tides set. They have a ton of these great ones out from Lego. Take a look. This is the particular one. It's called White Cat Bay, and it's basically the castle fortress. It's got boats. It's got a searchlight, a poster inside, and 6 figurines if you want to do a close-up. Okay, Jack Sparrow, Philip, the 2 sirens, which are the mermaid, and we think Serena or Sirena, Scrum, and another pirate. So very cool set here. This is awesome. The kids are going to have so much fun. There's nets, there's boats, there's cannons. You've got it all, a light brick. Take a look at the back so you can see the display. Now the age on this is for 7 to 14. So my husband and I are going to build it for the kids, and we are going to tell them they're not allowed to take it apart. And then it will be a little castle and fortress that you guys can play with because we like pirates. What's the secret pirate password?
Yo ho ho!
Yo ho ho! So this is the Lego Pirates of the Caribbean on Stranger Tides review.
Let them see how much pieces there is.
Oh yeah, 746 pieces. Don't lose those pieces. 746 pieces. So very cool. We are off for some big time building tonight. See ya!
See ya! Bye! Hope you have fun!